So you're here to find out how's it going and whether it's working or not, or is it just a hype thing that everyone's doing. Today's video is about my skin. Okay, so as you know, I have been derma rolling for 2 months now, and I have been doing it once a week, and then this month I have tried to do it twice a week. Bear in mind I was away on holiday for 2 weeks, so basically derma rolled my face 4 times this month, so I have derma rolled about 8 times now in total. Before we go anywhere further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment in the section below and give me a thumbs up, guys, and make sure when you subscribe click that bell and all notifications so you get to see my videos every single Sunday when I upload. So the indentations on my face have actually improved massively. Like, they have plumped up my face and I do not have as many holes in my face, as it were. And I always found when I smiled I always had like a little bit of a wrinkle rippling going on, and it was mainly because it was my indentations being stretched, really, and it has reduced a lot. And when I wear makeup as well, my skin is looking a little bit more flawless than before, and that's exactly what I want, because you know me and how I feel about my skin. It doesn't make me very happy, and I'm really looking forward to continuing using the derma roller to improve my acne scarring and completely get away with it. Where we left off last, I was on a pill that really wrecked my skin. I took it for 6 days and it made me break out like crazy here. What we can see now is it reduced. It is time of the month for me, so I have had 2 breakouts here anyway, and I have one here and there was one up here earlier. So they are leaving red pigments, which is really annoying, and when they are live I do not derma roll over them. So do not derma roll over live acne or live spots, okay, because you're just going to spread them and make them worse. If they're already there, that's going to get infected and then you're going to spread it further. You don't want that. So do not derma roll on active acne. Derma roll around it, or wait for your acne to completely go first. Whether you do your own remedies or you go on Accutane, whatever you do, wait until your spots have gone. That's my best advice. So I've been using the Baselift derma roller at 0.5 millimeters, and also this month I've done a bit of a cheat. I decided to get my old Banish one out, and I only used it a few times so I can still use it and the needles aren't bent. What I did find was that the needles look very similar. Like, I don't know if it is 1 millimeter needle in the end, because it doesn't say anywhere on the box the size. One thing about Baselift is this metallic thing flakes off with the alcohol spray. So as you can see, both needles are practically the same, okay? So I don't actually think I had a bigger needle. I think they're the same after all that. I just think my pain threshold has improved. Like, I thought I couldn't take the pain, but it has improved dramatically. So what I do is I just derma roll with both of them, and I feel like because my pain threshold has got better, I can actually press a little bit harder. But please, if you are derma rolling the first time, do it on your own comfort. Don't do it on, oh, I need to get rid of my spots, press them really hard, because you will bleed, you will cause discomfort, you might bruise, you might cause bigger cuts and making your skin septic, okay? Because remember, it is still a tool that people use in the medical profession. You get the sanitizer spray, the alcohol sanitizer spray. It's got alcohol denet in. You just spray it, so you basically drench it in it and you kind of shake it off and put it in the tub and it's clean, okay? I will actually link down below a link to some alcohol denet that you can actually keep renewing in there instead of just buying these on their own continuously. You can just buy a massive bottle and fill it up. and use it as you go on. So I've been using the Baselift and it's fantastic. If you want 50% off, yes, 50% off the whole website, then please use my code MISPA. I will let it appear on screen here. So just go to baselift.co.uk. It is worldwide shipping, even though it's UK based. It's 50% off everything. I even bought Baselift times Romina, and this was 50% off because I used the code myself, and you get a lot in it. You get a derma roller, a headband, a pink clay mask, all the details will be below. They give you a spatula, silicone one, so you're not passing bacteria around with bristles, because that's what that does. And they give you a rose hip regenerating serum as well after derma rolling. I'm actually going to do a review on this in another video, but I just wanted to show you that. Sometimes when Baselift send you discount codes as well, if you sign up to the email address, their limited edition items are not included in the discount, but whereas my discount 50% off is off the whole website, including limited edition items. So definitely use my code, guys. It's 50% off. It's just simply put my name, MISPA, and you will get the 50% off your whole purchase. So that is all I'm going to say on my skin. I definitely think derma rolling is worth it if you want to get rid of your acne scarring. It definitely works 100%, so definitely give it a go no matter which brand you use. Okay, so that's all we have time for on this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you can see the results on my skin. And if you are derma rolling yourself, please leave me a comment in the comment section below how long you've been doing it for and what are your results. If you have Instagram, make sure you go and follow me on there and tell me you're from YouTube, and I will follow you back, and I want to see your results as well. That would be fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.